Welcome to Asian News Today with me, Hapunana.
And me, Steve.
At the moment, the fuels we are using to keep our country and basically the world running are non-renewable.
This means that sometime, probably in the near future, we'll run out of fuels to keep up with the demand of the public and commercialism.
By 2020, many of the UK's power stations are scheduled to close, leaving a potential shortfall in energy or an energy gap. See what can be done to keep your lights on. Firstly, the energy gap. What is it? The UK's government and energy companies are looking for a solution. When figuring out which energy sources can fill the energy gap, they need to consider 5 factors. 1. Is it secure? Can companies use it and rely on it so they make sure it is always there? 2. Is it predictable? Will we know how much energy we are going to get? 3. Is it affordable? Can the companies and the government even afford it? Is it plentiful? Will we have enough resources to fund it? Will we be able to use it forever? 3, 4, 5, they're all similar. 5 is it clean? Does it affect polar bears at the North Pole, say? To do this, we'll have to use a thing called the energy mix. So, no single energy source can fill up the gap that the UK needs. They must find a mix that balances each source's pros and cons and to use energy more efficiently. See which sources could be used from the mix. Hydroelectric. This is good because it just uses water, is very clean and is very renewable. Although it is hard to build dams towards it. Coal. Non-renewable. Very, very bad on the environment.
Yeah, Mum.
Solar. Solar is very renewable but costs a great deal to get going. Gas. Non-renewable. Very dangerous to the environment. Marine life. This is where they use tidal waves to create efficient and molecular structures of energy. Oil. Very same as coal and gas. Non-renewable, damaging to the environment. Nuclear. Great costs to set it up and to equalise plants. And wind. Very expensive, can be quite annoying and very inefficient. So, these energies, will they be useful? Can we really rely on these energy sources for the future? Of course, no we cannot.
I'm here, near a nuclear power station that has been put under threat. One of the Giga counter warnings has been triggered.
Nuclear!